Another quick tip, guys, you got an alternator that has a really hard time moving here after you got all the bolts out, is because there's a compression deal down there that the bolt squeezes in on the bracket down there. So if you take a screwdriver, pry bar or something and try to get this thing moving side to side this way, it will actually help loosen that up, making it a lot easier to remove, let alone install if you happen to be reinstalling the same alternator. Here's the fitting that we're referring to. And I'll take something and compress that a little bit more when I reinstall it. We're doing a water pump here also. Quick tip, there you go.
Thank you for watching. If this video helped, please hammer that like and subscribe button.